Hello students, this is Alisha, a mathematics teacher, and from this video we are going to do a new chapter, that is the last chapter of our maths syllabus, that is data handling. Now what is data handling? Now data handling is a process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful for others. Like for example, you collect the data and you present it in a picture form. That is data handling. So usually what we do in data handling is we collect information and then we show it in a way that everyone can understand it. First one here is reading a pictograph. Now reading a pictograph means you have to read this picture that is given to you and you have to give the information, what you understand by looking at the picture. So given below is a pictograph showing the number of students who were absent in a particular week. The strength of the class is 30. Now here in the picture, you can see the faces given in front of every day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These many students were absent in on that particular day. So if we say Monday, so there were 2 students absent on Monday. On Tuesday there were no students absent. You can't see any face, so there were no students absent on Tuesday. In the same way, Wednesday there was 1 student, that is 1 girl absent on Wednesday. So this is how we read the pictograph given to us, and whatever data we understand, we write. First thing what we will write is 2 students were absent on Monday. On Monday you can see there were 2 students absent. 0 students were absent on Tuesday. 1 student was absent on Wednesday. 4 students were absent on Thursday. And 2 students were absent on Friday. So this is what we come to know by looking at the picture. And maximum number of students were absent on Thursday. Now what does it mean? That means out of all the days, maximum number of students were absent on Thursday. That is 4 students were absent. In the rest of the days, there were 2 or 1 student absent. But on Thursday, there were 4 students absent. So that means maximum number of students were absent on Thursday. So this is how we read a pictograph given to us. Now what is a pictograph? An information expressed in number of ways. The pictograph that we saw just now, it is a picture given to us and we have information based in pictures. So that is an information that is giving us a lot more about the picture. It can be expressed in words, symbols, pictures, graphs, etc. So pictograph can be shown in the way of words, symbols, pictures, graphs, etc. So we have seen just now it was presented in a picture form. When we use pictures or symbols to represent some information, it is called pictorial representation or pictograph. Now, same. Whatever we saw just now was in a picture form, right? Which gave us information about the number of students absent on each day. So that is known as a pictorial representation, or is also known as a pictograph. The information collected for purpose. Now it is the information that we collect for somebody or the purpose. From now the earlier picture that you saw, it was a kind of an attendance information that we saw, right? Whoever were absent and who on which days how many students were absent. So there's always a purpose for collecting these kind of information. Next example we see. The following pictograph shows the particulars of the weight of the students in the class. Now this picture shows us the weight of the students in the class. So there are 3 types: underweight, overweight and normal weight. So there are these number of students that are there in underweight, overweight and normal weight. So we will count and we will give the information that we get. First thing we get is students who are underweight. How many students do we have in underweight? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 students who are underweight. Next we have students who are overweight. We have 4 students who are overweight. So we write 4. Students who are normal weight. Now these are the students who are under normal weight. So there are 10 students who are there under normal weight. This is how we read the information given to us in the form of a pictogram. And the fourth one that we got is total number of students. How many total number of students do we have in this class? 6 plus 4 plus 10. That gives us 20. So this is what information we have derived from this program. The next one is the following pictograph shows the number of trees in 4 villages A, B, C and D. The village A has these many trees. Village B has these, C and D. These are 4 villages given to us. Now what do we understand from this picture? First we will count how many trees are there in village A and so on for B, C and D. But there's one more note given to here is here one tree stands for 10 trees. That means this one tree are 10 trees. Same way the another tree stands for 10 trees. In this we will do a multiplication. For example, all there are 26 into 10 trees. Why 26 in village A, B, C and D? If you count all these trees here, there are 26 trees. But what they have said is one tree stands for 10 trees. That is why we will multiply by 10. And we have got a total number of trees that are 260 trees. Village A has the maximum number of trees, as you can see. Village A here has the maximum number of trees, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 10. So village A has 80 trees. And village B has the minimum number of trees. Minimum means less number of trees as compared to the rest of the villages. So village B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 into 10, that is 50 trees. That is why village B has the minimum number of. This is another way of reading a pictograph. So whatever information you will see in the pictograph or you will understand in the pictograph, you will have to write it down below. We'll continue with the next exercise in our next video. Thank you.